beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing and install of another headband wig. This is everything that you will be getting if you purchase this unit. You get 2 instead of 3 headbands, and then you also get a cap as well. This hair is a 1B/30 blend, and I believe this unit is 14 inches, but I will be linking all the information down below. So it's a little different from all the other wigs that I reviewed thus far. And so it is very, very beautiful. The inside is just like all the other headband wigs. So I'm just giving you guys a little demonstration of how it looks, and also the bands and how well they come together, so you won't have any problems with the headband sliding off of your head. Now I'm just gonna put it on the mannequin head so you can see the colors and how it's gonna ideally look when I apply it. I'm just gonna do a close up. You guys see those colors? It's very, very beautiful. The hair is really, really soft. I did not experience any shedding or tangling with this unit. It did not have a weird smell to it or anything like that. Very easy to comb through, and also just to manipulate in general. So this wig is very, very, very beautiful. I love it so much, and I think the colors complement my skin and my undertones really well. So I'm just going to give you guys a close-up of that, and that's pretty much it, and then we're going to get into styling. Okay, you guys, so when it came to styling this unit, I didn't do anything to manipulate it really, besides just rake my hands through the hair and also take my detangling brush just to create some more volume and separate the curls. But my whole method of not really manipulating the hair and putting product on it is because I'm testing out the idea of you just literally putting the wig on, wearing it, and leaving the house. And that's exactly what these units are doing. And I want to be able to show you guys that it does not take much for these wigs to come to life and for you to just look all the way put together once you put them on your head. So that's why I don't really do the wigs up or put many products in them, for that particular reason. Now right now I'm just going to be showing you just the 2 different bands that you get with them and how they look. I think that they are really versatile, and they are similar to a lot of other patterns that are coming with the headband wigs. So they're perfect. I like them, and I think that they are a great match. And because you do have other headband wigs, you can always change them out. You don't have to always use the headbands that come with a particular wig. So now I'm just going to be doing some variations of styles and just showing you guys how durable this hair is and what you could actually achieve with it. You could do 1,000,001 styles with this unit. I'm just going to show you a few, so please stay tuned for that. Okay, so I don't have anything bad to say about this unit, to be honest. I really do love it. I love it in its entirety. I love it for how long it is, how thick it is, how vibrant it is. Everything about this hair is perfect, literally. The headbands are great as well, but you can always change them out with the other headbands that you get from other wigs. And I will be changing mine around, to match my outfits. But I do think that this hair is great quality, and it is human hair, so you can do a lot of things with it. And it also is very affordable. So yeah, you guys, I hope you are enjoying me bringing you these variations of headband wigs, because I have tested out different colors, textures, and lengths just to get you guys a variation of these headband wigs and the possibilities of them, because they pretty much are the new wave, and I'm with it because it's literally life for me. It's a game changer. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, please go ahead and give me a like and also subscribe. As always, it's my pleasure. I'll see you next time.